gonna buy some for you.
You're gonna buy some for me?
Yeah, I'm gonna buy some like kid for you. Slippers.
You're gonna buy me some Lightning McQueen slippers?
Yeah.
Okay, that's great. I love that.
You're gonna buy them
Why
on your feet.
don't my Elmo slippers aren't they good enough?
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, okay. But you want to get me some Lightning McQueen?
Oh.
That's cool.
You're gonna get this wheel?
Okay. I'm gonna get the wheel.
Yeah.
Okay. What else?
The Hudson, the
I'm gonna get the lightning bolt. Ka-chow! Guess not.